video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process on how you can withdraw your USDT from Binance to your local currency, in this case Naira account. And if you are new and you have been making money on the internet with all this making money online app, and you are wondering how you can move your money from Binance or from wherever it is to Binance, I've made a detailed video showing you practically how to do that. I'm going to link it in the description of this video. And if you don't even have Binance at all, I've made video practically showing you how to sign up for Binance and how to verify your account so that you can be able to move money from all this make money online app to Binance. And today this video will show you how you can move it from Binance to your local currency peer-to-peer, most especially if cryptocurrency is not allowed in your region. So before we go into practical aspect of this video, I want to first of all say thank you for all your interest. Like I asked if you are interested in this video and I see a lot of comments. Thank you so much for the love, for the support, because without you watching I won't be able to be making video till this day. So let's go to the practical aspect of the video. So I'll just click on Binance right here, and then the mistake a lot of newbies are making is that they are used to put their account on Pro. So like as it is now, my own account is on Lite. Okay, make sure your account is on Lite, not Pro. If it is Pro, there are things you will not be able to understand the future. So leave it on Binance Lite. Okay, so when you come back right here, if you click on this card, you're going to see all the currency that you have. In my own case, I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, I have other coins like that. So for you to sell, you are going to click this yellow arrow pointing opposite that direction. You see buy, sell, convert. So we want to sell. So when you click on sell, it's going to bring you up right here, and you are going to click what you want to sell, which is USDT. I'll just put $100 worth of USDT. So when I click on sell, it's going to match me automatically with someone right here in Nigeria that want to buy exactly $100, and they are telling me that it's going to be 74,411 Naira. I'll click on continue. So when I click on continue, Binance will automatically match me with the person. I'm going to see the person's account details, and once the person make payment, I'm going to see it down below. So but please don't click I have received payment until you make sure you have checked your account and you have received payment. Okay, so like the timer is counting, maybe after like a minute, sometimes less than. If the person have transfer, you will see I received payment. So yes, you can also even chat with the person if you wish to. You can ask the person question, but I don't used to do that. So the next thing is, let me just wait a few seconds, and voila, the person has made payment and have confirmed that I have received the payment. So down below you see I have received payment. So once I click on it, I'm going to check this, and then I'll click on continue. So it's going to, an OTP code will be sent to my phone number, and I'll paste it right here and continue, and voila, that means that is how to sell your USDT to Naira from Binance. All right, so if you find this video interested, please give me a like. If you have other questions, let me know in the comment section of this video. And I'm planning at doing a course, but it's going to be a video right here. I'm going to publish it on my channel on how to edit videos. I see a lot of people picking interest in that, but until I see your comments that you are interested on video editing, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section of this video. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.